Good evening. This is Akashvani Kohima. I'm Jonas Yanthan with Evening News. The headlines. Notification for the first phase of Lok Sabha elections 2024 to be issued tomorrow. Supreme Court refuses to stay implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act. Eastern Nagaland Public Emergency resolves to temporarily suspend all forms of ongoing restrictions under its banner with effect from March 21. And Congress Working Committee discusses party's manifesto for 2024 Lok Sabha polls. Now the news in detail. The notification for the first phase of Lok Sabha elections 2024 will be issued tomorrow. Elections will be held in 102 Lok Sabha seats in 17 states and 4 union territories in this phase. 39 seats of Tamil Nadu, 12 seats of Rajasthan, 8 seats of Uttar Pradesh, 6 Madhya Pradesh, 5 seats each in Uttarakhand, Assam and Maharashtra, 4 seats of Bihar, 3 seats of West Bengal, 2 seats each in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, and 1 seat each in Chhattisgarh, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep and Puducherry will go to polls in the first phase. Nominations can be filed till the 27th of March. Voting will be held on 19th of next month. The Lok Sabha polls are scheduled to be conducted in 7 phases in the country, while the counting will take place on 4th June. The Election Commission said it is committed to conducting the Lok Sabha polls fairly, freely, while also ensuring safety. The Commission has laid out plans to address all existing challenges of those which may occur during the elections. The Commission said enough Central Armed Police Force will be deployed in areas prone to incidents, while webcasting facility will be put in place at sensitive polling booths. The Supreme Court today refused to stay the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA. The Apex Court also gave the government 3 weeks to respond to 237 petitions challenging the law that was notified last week. The matter was heard by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice J.B. Bhatriwala, and Justice Manoj Misra. The petitioners included the Indian Union Muslim League, opposition leaders Jairam Ramesh of the Congress and Mahua Moitra of the Trinamool Congress. The next hearing in this case has been set for 9th April. The Congress Working Committee today discussed the party's manifesto for the 2024 Lok Sabha polls. The committee held its meeting in New Delhi, which was attended by Party President Mallikarjun Kharge, former Presidents Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, and other senior leaders, including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, P. Chidambaram, Dick Vijay Singh, Ajay Magan, and K.C. Venugopal. Briefing media after the meeting, Venugopal said the party's working committee authorized the Congress president to have a final approval for the manifesto. Earlier in a social media post, Kharge claimed that his party's manifesto has been regarded as a document of trust and commitment. He added that the country is demanding a change. The Eastern Nagaland Public Emergency has resolved to temporarily suspend all forms of ongoing restrictions under its banner with effect from March 21. However, the Eastern Nagaland Public Emergency will continue to be in force until further notice. The decision was taken during the Eastern Nagaland Public Emergency public meeting held today at Twensang headquarters. The Eastern Nagaland Public Emergency also unanimously resolved to go by its 23rd February 2024 public resolution of not to participate in any central or state elections. The House endorsed that ENPO will write a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs not to entertain any write-up or suggestions with regard to frontier Nagaland territory other than ENPO. Further, ENPO has been endorsed to convene another public meeting along with all 20 ENLU members within a week's time at Twensang headquarters in consultation with ENLU. This news comes to you from Akashvani, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News On Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. A massive fire broke out today at Kitsupuzu, Kohima, which razed down several houses, leaving 14 families homeless, while shops were also burned down. Giving details of the incident, officer in charge of South Fire Station, Kohima, Inspector Sedevizo Hippo, said a total of 6 vehicles were burned down, and the cause of the fire is suspected to have been from LPG leakage, and further investigations are on. The officer informed that it took 7 fire denters from North and South fire stations and a total of 14 trips to bring the fire under control. Besides the personnel from Fire and Emergency Services, security personnel, Disaster Response Force, and other organizations were involved in bringing the fire incident under control. The National Commission for Women, NCW, and the Railway Protection Force have signed a Memorandum of Understanding in New Delhi to prevent and combat human trafficking. Speaking on the occasion, Chairperson of NCW, Rekha Sharma, said Railway Protection Force personnel deployed at railway stations are playing a crucial role in the crime against women and children. She said 70% of cases of human trafficking are related to women and girl children. The Director General of the Railway Protection Force, RPF, Manoj Yadav, said the overall objective of this MOU is to provide a safe and secure travel experience to women. He said RPF will ensure that the railway network is not allowed to be used for any atrocities against women, including trafficking. Deputy Commissioners of Beren and Zeminu have prohibited carrying of any kind of arms or ammunition by any person. In a notification, District Magistrate Beren Vinit Kumar directed all licensed arms be deposited to the nearest police station on or before 30th March. Kumar said this has been necessitated to ensure conduct of free, fair, participative, accessible, inclusive and safe election to the Lok Sabha. Kumar also informed that the order is applicable to all the persons within Beren district except the police personnel and the security forces and the officials or personnel involved in the law and order duty. District Magistrate Zeminu Rohit Singh also informed that with the Model Code of Conduct in place, carrying of licensed arms may lead to intimidation of elections, cause breach of peace and tranquility, and may disrupt public order within the Zeminu district, which may adversely impact the peaceful, free and fair conduct of general election within the district. The district magistrate has therefore directed all licensed arms holders within Zeminu district to deposit their arms and ammunitions under their possession to the nearest police station on or before 30th March. Singh informed that licensed arms and ammunitions deposited will be released 1 week after the declaration of the election results. A half-marathon race was held today in Woka as part of the Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation (SVEEP) activities and awareness on election. Speaking at the event, STO Civil Woka and SVEP Nodal Officer Nuhuta Doni emphasized on the importance of voting and urged the students to spread the message that voting is a fundamental right for every citizen. Doni said that the marathon participants were prospective voters representing the future electorate and stressed on the significance of preparing themselves to exercise their voting rights when they come of age. Tuni also encouraged the students to raise awareness among their peers, elders and community members to ensure broader participation in the electoral process. The half-marathon was held with the aim to engage the community and foster a culture of civic responsibility and active participation in the democratic process. And now 20 News, here are the headlines again. Notification for first phase of Lok Sabha elections 2024 to be issued tomorrow. Supreme Court refuses to stay implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act. Congress Working Committee discusses party's manifesto for 2024 Lok Sabha polls. And Eastern Nagaland Public Emergency resolves to temporarily suspend all forms of ongoing restrictions under its banner with effect from March 21. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.